Developing an Android application involves several steps and requires proficiency in programming. Here's a concise guide. Conceptualize your app. Start by defining the purpose and features of your app. Consider your target audience and what problem your app will solve. Choose development tools. Download and set up Android Studio, Google's official integrated development environment for Android app development. Learn Java or Kotlin. Android app development primarily uses Java or Kotlin as the programming language. Familiarize yourself with these languages. Design the user interface. Use XML layouts and Android's UI components to create an intuitive and visually appealing interface for your app. Write code. Implement the app's functionality using Java or Kotlin. Use Android's software development kit to access device features and APIs. Test your app. Debug and test your app on an Android emulator or physical devices. Address any bugs or issues that arise. Optimize performance. Ensure your app runs smoothly by optimizing code, using efficient algorithms, and managing resources properly. Add features. Enhance your app with features like user authentication, databases, and network connectivity. Prepare for distribution. Create a developer account on Google Play Store to publish your app. Create a signed APK for distribution. Publish on Google Play. Follow Google's guidelines for app submission, including creating an attractive listing, setting pricing, and providing necessary assets. Marketing and support. Promote your app, gather user feedback, and update it regularly to address issues and add new features. Monetize. If you plan to make money from your app, consider options like in-app ads, subscriptions, or selling the app.